from R.D. Sharma, Class 8, Chapter number 6, that is Algebraic Expression and Identities. In that, our topic is identities. Okay, here standard identities are there. First identity, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this identity you have to remember. First of all, we'll see that how it comes that a plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we'll prove it. So let us do that. Now first identity it is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or you can write a square plus 2b square plus 2ab. Both the thing is same only. Okay, here a square plus b square we had written, and in the last here 2ab. Okay, how it comes? So we'll write the proof that we had given this and we have to prove this. So a plus b whole square. Okay, so we can write a plus b into a plus b. Both are same, so we can write square also. To say this we can write separately bracket. Okay, a plus b, which formula, right? We can write the separate one. If the base is same, so we can write the square form. Now we'll open the bracket, whichever we are doing in exercise 6.5. So we'll open the bracket, a plus b into a plus b. Now a into a is a square plus a into b is ab plus a into b is ab plus b into b is b square. So which is equal to a square, ab plus ab is 2ab plus b square. So we had got this a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so or you can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. Both the same. Now see, here first of all we had a proof for a plus b. Now a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now for the minus identity, so proof, this one is given. So a minus b square equal to, we can write a minus b into a minus b, right? So now we'll open the bracket, a minus b a minus b. So a into a is a square minus ab minus b into a is minus ab minus plus b square. So a square minus plus, so minus 2ab plus b square. We got the answer, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Or you can write a square plus b square minus 2ab. These are the important identities. Now here a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This we have to prove that a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now first of all we'll write that LHS. Okay, now two brackets are given, we can open the bracket. So a into a minus b plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a into a square minus ab plus minus b square, which is equal to a square plus ab minus ab is, we can do cancel, right? Because plus minus ab minus ab is cancel, 0 minus b square. So got the answer, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, using these three identity we have to do next exercise. Okay, these three identities are important. We are using this identity directly, so you have to understand this and remember these three identity. We'll do exercise 6.6. Write the following square of binomial as trinomial. Now x plus 2 raised to 2 is there. So here what we are using? We are using the identities. So let us say that x plus 2 whole square. so which is equal to, our identity is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a square means x square, so x whole raised to square plus 2, a means x, b means 2 plus b square means 2 square. Okay, so which is equal to x square plus 2 to the 4x plus 2 to the 4. 2 square means 4. So your answer is x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, now we'll do second one. Question is 8a plus 3b square. This also the same. 8a means a, so 8a whole square plus 2, a means 8a and b means 3b plus b square means 3b whole square, so which is equal to 8 8s are 64 and a square plus 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3 is 48 and 48 a and b, so ab plus 3 3s are 9 and b square. So your answer is 64 a square plus 48 ab plus 9b square. Now the fourth one. Question is 9a plus 1 upon 6 square. Now this is a and this is b. Okay, which is equal to, first of all, a square 9a whole square plus 2 into 9a and b means 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 whole square, which is equal to 9 9s are 81 a square plus 9 2s are 18, 18 upon 6 a plus 1 upon 6 6 are 36. Now we can cancel this. 6 1s are 6 3s are, so equal to 81 a square plus 3a plus 1 upon 36 is the answer. Okay, now we'll do fifth one. Question is x plus x square by 2 raised to 2. We are using here only plus because plus identity, because here all have the plus identity only. Okay, so equal to x square plus 2 into x square plus 2 plus b is x square upon 2 whole square. Okay, so equal to x raised to square plus 2 upon 2, x into x square is x raised to 3 plus x into x, 2 2s are 4 upon 2 into 2 is 4, so which is equal to x square, 2 2 cancel, 1s are, so plus x cube plus x raised to 4 4. Okay, that's your answer, x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 4. Now let us choose the sixth one, that is x upon 4 minus y upon 3. Now here which identity we have to use? We have to use a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this identity we have to use because here minus is there. So which is equal to x upon 4 whole square minus 2 x upon 4 into y upon 3 plus y upon 3 whole square, which is equal to x into x square is x square upon 4 into 4 is 16 minus 2xy upon 4 3s are 12 plus y square upon 9. So 2 ones are and 2 6 are 12. So it is equal to x square upon 16 minus 1 upon 6 xy plus y square upon 9 is the answer, right? X square upon 16 minus xy upon 6 plus x square y square upon 9. Now this same way, whole square minus 2 x upon y, y upon x plus y upon x up square, which is equal to x square upon y square minus 2xy upon xy. Okay, x into y xy and x into y is xy plus y square upon x square, which is equal to x square upon y square. Xy cancel, so minus 2 plus y square upon x. 10th one, a square b minus b c square whole square, so equal to a square b whole square minus 2 a square b into b c square plus b c square whole square, which is equal to a square a into 2 is 4, 2 minus 2 a square b into b is b square c square plus b square c raised to 4 is the answer. Question number 2, find the product of the following binomial. Now this product we have given and we have to find the product of this. Okay, so whole bracket we had given, we can use the identity. Now first one, 2x plus y, 2x plus y. So we can write this 2x plus y whole square, because if we'll take that, if it is a raised to 1 and a raised to 1, if we'll multiply it, so a raised to square will come. So 2x plus y raised to square. Now we know the identity that a square plus b square is equal to, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so 2x raised to square plus 2x into y plus b square is y square, so equal to 2 2s are 4 x square plus 2 2s are 4 xy plus y square is the answer. Now second one, that is a plus 2b, a minus 2b. Now here which identity we have to use? A plus b into a minus b equal to a square plus minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square, that is the identity. So we can use here, because it is a plus b and a minus b. So we can write that a square minus 2b whole square. So a square minus 2 to the 4b square. Okay, now let us do the fourth one, that is 4x upon 5. Now this is your question, that a 4x upon 5 minus 3y upon 5 into 4x upon 5 plus 3y upon 4. So this one we can use this identity a plus b minus a minus b. Here first a minus b into a plus b is there, so one and the same. If I write here plus or here plus, the one and the same only, so I can use this identity. So what we have to write, a square means 4x upon 5 whole square minus b is 3y upon 4 whole square, which is equal to 4 4s are 16x square upon 25 minus 3 3s are 9y square upon 16. 4 4s are 16. This is your answer. Here also we will use the same one, a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to x raised to 4 whole square minus 2 upon x square whole square, which is equal to 4 2 is 8 minus 2 2 is 4 and 2 2 is 4. So x raised to 4. So the answer is x raised to 8 minus 4 upon x raised to 4. Question number 3. Using the formula for squaring a binomial, evaluate the following. Now here we have to use the formula, and first one what we had given, 102 square. So if we will write 102 as 100 plus 2 whole square, one and the same, okay, 100 plus 2 means 102 whole square. Now here we can use a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, this formula. So how we have to write, a is 100, so 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus b is 2 square. So 100 into 100 is 100 square is 10,000, okay, plus 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 100 is 400 plus 2 2 is 4. Now this we have to evaluate, so we'll plus it, okay, so equal to 40401 is the answer. So 10404 is the answer. Now 99 square. So if we'll write 100 minus 1 whole square is 99. So we can use a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 100 whole square minus 200 into 1 plus 1 square, which is 100 into 100 is 10,000 minus 2 into 100 is 200 plus 1. So we have to, now what we have to do, first of all we'll minus it, or otherwise we can plus it or minus it, okay. So 10,000 minus 200, I am doing this first, okay. So 0 0 10 9 and 0. 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 minus 9, 9 minus 0 is 9. So answer is 9800 plus 1. So it is equal to 9801 is the answer. Now 703 whole square. So we can write 700 plus 3 whole square. So we can use a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b 2ab plus b square. So 700 square plus 2 into 700 into 2 into 3 plus 3 square, which is equal to 7 into 7 is 49,000 plus 2 3s are 6 and 6 into 700 is 6 into 700, which is equal to 4200 plus 3 3s are 9. Now we have to plus this. So the answer is 4,94,209. Now question number 4. Simplify the following using the formula a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Now this formula we have to use over here. So 82 square minus 18 square. First one. So which formula we have to use? A plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square, right? So here what we can do, that 82 minus 18, in this form we are writing, okay, and 82 plus 18, so which is equal to 82 minus 18 is 64 into 82 plus 18 is 100, so which is equal to 6400. Now we can do second one, that is 4672 minus 33 square. Now same way we have to write that 467 minus 33 and 467 plus 33, which is equal to, if we minus it, then 434 into 467 plus 33 is 500, which is equal to 217000. Now we are doing the fourth one, that is 197 into 203. So here in multiplication we had given, so what we will do, we will separate it first. Okay, if we'll minus 200 into minus 3, so 197 will come, and if we'll plus with 200, then it will come 203. So 1 and the same. Okay, so equal to, what we will write, 200 square minus 3 square, because this formula we are using. So 200 square minus 3 square, which is equal to 40,000 minus 9, which is equal to 39991. Okay, the same way we have to do the fifth one. The question is that 113 into 87. So what we have to do, same thing we have to do. Okay, so equal to 100 plus 13 is 113, and 100 minus 13 is 87. Now we can use the formula 100 square minus 13 square, which is equal to 10,000 minus 13 into 13 is 169, which is equal to, we have to minus it, 10,000. Answer is 9831. Now question number 5, simplify the using the identities. Now this one we had given in division, so first we will solve this by the identity. So let us do that. So say 58 square minus 42 square upon 16 is there. So what we have to do, we will use this a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This identity we will use. So 58 minus 42 and 58 plus 42 upon 16. So 58 minus 42 is 16 into 58 plus 48 is 100 upon 16. So 16 cancels, so answer is 100. Now here in second one we had given that 78 into 78 minus 22 into 22. So we can write 78 square minus 22 square. Then we can use this identity, right? So 178 minus 22 and 178 plus 22, which is equal to 172 minus 22 is 156, and 178 plus 22 is 200. So which is equal to 31200 is the answer. Now here also the same way, 198 into 198, we can write 198 square minus 102 into 102, so 102 square upon 96. Now we can use the identity 198 minus 102 and 198 plus 102 upon 96, which is equal to 198 minus 102 is 96, and 198 plus 102 is 300 upon 96. So 96 cancel, answer is 300. Question number 6. Find the value of x if 4x equal to 52 square minus 48 square. Now we have to find the value, and we can use their 52 minus 48 into 52 plus 48, that identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b identity. Now here 4x equal to 52 square minus 48 square is there. So therefore for 4x equal to 52 minus 48 and 52 plus 48. Which identity? A square minus b square equal to a plus b, and a minus b identity we are using. So therefore 4x equal to 52 minus 48 is 4, and 52 plus 48 is 100. So therefore 4x equal to 4 into 100 upon 4. So 4 cancel. Therefore x equal to 100. Here I had written 4, so cancel. I am writing here in the denominator. So 4 cancel, and 100 is the answer. Now let us do the second one. Question is, what 14x equal to 47x square minus 33 square. Now same formula we have to use. 14x equal to 47 minus 33 and 47 plus 33. So therefore 14x equal to 47 minus 33 is 14, and multiply by 47 plus 33 is 80. Therefore x equal to 14 into 80 upon 14. This 14 comes over here, so 14 cancel. Therefore x equal to 80 is the answer. Question number 7. If x plus 1 upon x equal to 20, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Now this one we had given, we have to find the value of this. So we will write that question number 7, what we had given x plus 1 upon x equal to 20. Okay, if we'll square both the side, let us squaring both the sides. So x plus 1 upon x whole square into 20 whole square. So what we get, we can use the identity, that is x a plus b whole square equal to a square, means x square plus 2x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x whole square, means like this. Okay, here also whole square equal to 20 square. So therefore x square x cancel, plus 2 plus 1 upon x square, because 1 into 1 is 1, and x square equal to 20 into 20 is 400. So therefore x square plus 1 upon x square, this 2 comes over here, so 400 minus 2. Therefore x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 400 minus 3, 398 is the answer. And this we have to do, that we have to find x square plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so this is the answer. 8th one, if x minus 1 upon x equal to 3, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square and x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. The same thing we will have to do, that given is x minus 1 upon x equal to 3. Here 3 is there. Okay, 3. So we will square both the sides. Squaring both the side. So what we will get, x minus 1 upon whole square equal to 3 square. Therefore x square minus 2x into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square equal to 3 3s are 9. Now this one x cancel, therefore x square minus 2 plus 1 upon x square equal to 9. Therefore x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 9 plus 2, because here minus is there, so it will go over there, so equal plus 2. Therefore x square plus 1 upon x equal to 11. Now for the second one, what we have to find? X raised to 4, x raised to plus 1 upon x raised to 4. So for the second one, what we have to do? We'll square this. Okay, so x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 11. Squaring both sides. So what we will get? X square plus 1 upon x square whole square equal to 11 square. So x square whole square plus 2x square into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x raised to square whole square equal to 11 into 11 is 1 to 1. So which is equal to x square plus 2 plus 1 upon here 4, 2 2s are 4, and x raised to 4 equal to 1 to 1. So therefore x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 equal to 1 to 1 minus 2. So therefore x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 equal to 1 to 1 minus 2, which is equal to 119. Question number 9. If x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 18, find the value of x plus 1 upon x and x minus 1 upon x. Now here we had given x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 18. Now if we add both the side 2, so adding both side 2, okay, so what we will get? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, which is equal to 18 plus 2. Okay, so therefore x square plus 1 upon x square plus, here if we write x into 1 upon x equal to 20. Why x into 1 upon x? Because if we'll minus here nothing means 1, so instead of 1 I am writing x 1 upon x, so x cancel is 1 only. Okay, now we got the formula that x plus 1 upon x whole square equal to 20. So see, a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to 20, so we can write a plus b whole square. So therefore x plus 1 upon square equal to root of 20. Therefore x plus 1 upon x equal to 4 into 5. Okay, so therefore x plus 1 upon x equal to, we can write here 2 outside and 5. So first one we get 2 root 5. Now we have to find x minus 1 upon x. So for that, given x square plus 1 upon x square equal to 18. Okay, for that what we have to do? Subtracting 2 from both sides. So what we will get? We have to subtract. First we had add, so we got this x plus 1 upon x. Now we have to subtract. So x square plus 1 upon x minus 2 equal to 18 minus 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2, here 1, so instead of 2 I am writing 1 x and 1 upon x, so equal to 18 minus 2 is 16. So therefore x, this is the formula, x square plus b square minus 2ab. So what we can write? X minus 1 upon x whole square equal to 16. Okay, so therefore x 1 upon x, this square become here root 16. Therefore x minus 1 upon x equal to 4 is the answer. Question number 10. If x plus y equal to 4 and xy equal to 2, find the value of x square plus y square. Now this value we had given we have to find x square plus y square. So what we had given, x plus y equal to 4 and xy equal to 2. Now in this equation I am giving equation 1. Equation 1 I am squaring both the sides. Squaring equation 1 both sides. So x plus y whole square equal to 4 square. So we will square it. Therefore x square plus 2xy plus x into y square equal to 4 4 16. So therefore x square plus y square plus 2xy into 16. I am writing here 2xy here. So therefore x square plus y square plus 2xy value we had given, which is 2 equal to 16. Therefore x square plus y square to 2 2s are 4 equal to 16. Therefore x square plus y square equal to 16 minus 4. Therefore x square plus y square equal to 16 minus 4 is 12. So got the answer, x square plus y square equal to 12. Thank you for watching this video.